Hey, welcome back to part 3. So, you don't see the thing, it's in there, so take this, push it up, slide it up. There they are, which it's weird because this one comes out kind of straight, but this one, as you can see, is kind of bent. And then there's our little power button. And then, so it does work, I guess. LED indicator lights, which look to be fully charged, but off camera I will charge it after the video. So how does it work? Let's put out a little test here. And as you can see, the candle wick is lit. It's a lit wick. So I'm going to blow it out for a second. Let me make sure that I turn this on. Yep. Now this one actually has an IR switch down there, which is cool. Now this one is a double, which forms an X when the strings cross. Can you light the candle this way? No, so this one will not light a candle. I mean, maybe if you had like a birthday cake candle, or one of those like candles that you see in the wine bottles or something like that, like the ones for like Indonesian screws where it's carrying it around, like candlestick and those type of holders, like. But jar candles, no, a tiny lighter would not do that. A tiny lighter is great for like cigarettes, maybe small cigars, like a cigarillo. Will this one light your cigar? No, I mean, it's small. Will I light a cigarette? Maybe a cigarette. Will this one light a pipe? No, I'm going to doubt that, but... What's going on here? It was kind of weird. It was acting weird for some reason. But anyway... Yep, that's what the... I almost said atomic lighter, but the tactical lighter does. It has, so... USB cable. Close this down for safety. Put a little cap on there, which it doesn't matter which way the cap goes on, because it's just an oval-shaped cap. If you're wondering what I got there, I got a camera. It was 20 bucks. I got it for 15 on clearance, so... Because I know someone's going to be like, where'd you get it? What store is it? Camera, clearance. Yep. Anyway. Remember to subscribe, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, hit that notification bell. Alright, thanks, bye.